Hello, my name is Jocelyn Jones and I'm from the Dutch Art Box, where we encourage and inspire artists all over the world to grow their business with art marketing tools and strategies that we have tried and tested ourselves. So come and take a look. Today we have another top tip for you. You can download our special script for a studio tour. Now you might be thinking, why on earth would I want to create a studio tour? A video of a studio tour is a super powerful art marketing tool. You can show the viewer your space. And you might be thinking, why is my space special? There's nothing special about it, it's just where I work every day. But anyone who's considering buying some artwork from you, if you show them where you work, how you work, what kind of tools do you use, what is your view from your window, what does it look like? You don't even have to tidy up your studio. It looks great as it is. Use the script and create a wonderful studio tour. Now when you've done that, make sure to post your video in the comments below so we can all come and have a look. I'd love to see where you work and what you do and what it all looks like. Okay, good luck with your studio tour. See you next time.